Hi there, it's Tim, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Unagi electric scooter. I believe this is the E350. I'm going to put the model number right up here just to confirm that. It's a funny story. While I'm opening this up, I actually saw this Unagi at a drugstore in my town here in Victoria, BC. If you happen to live in British Columbia, they actually can sell these now in a drugstore called London Drugs. So I was walking through one day and I thought, look at that beautiful display. And I hadn't actually paid much attention to Unagis before. I wasn't really sure about them, but when I saw it up close, I thought it was absolutely beautiful. So you have to let me know what you think down below, if you think it's a beautiful looking scooter. So let me just pull it all out. And here we are, the Model 1 by Unagi. So I might have mentioned that it's quite light. It's a little scooter. It's cute. Well, this is something interesting. There's a QR code here, so I can actually do a quick scan of that before I unpack it. But there are unpacking instructions too, but I think I've already done that part. So, little box here, wrapping up. Let's lift the stem. You know what, I'm gonna keep that on just as I build everything up, and I can cut that off afterwards. Inside the box, I'm going to quickly show you. A little bit of foam. I'm going to hope that these are the handlebars. There's nothing else in there. Oops. Box with the handlebars. Let's find out what's inside here and let's take a look. Oh, I see, okay. There's a little kickstand here. Take this out, whoops. So we got this cute little kickstand, the cute little handlebars, which I will put on in a moment for us. Looks like there's a little wire for connection, and it appears to have some screw holes as well. Put that aside. Also in here, this is really nicely done. A little Allen wrench tool. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. That's really nicely done. Got the little power supply here. This is really cute. I really like this. This is really well done. Wow, I like it. That goes in the wall, and it's like a little mini USB charging. So I guess that's how you charge it. There must be a charging port somewhere on here. I'll find that shortly. And also it comes with an instruction manual. I'm gonna take a quick peek at this before I put everything together, and I'll be right back. There is a little wire, as I mentioned earlier, right on the base. Pretty straightforward. We're just gonna plug that in here. And that's nicely plugged in. Feed that back down into the stem. Oh, I just managed to turn it on by mistake. Well, hey, you know what? That's what it looks like. But we'll do that. I'm gonna turn this off just as I put this together. All right, so I'm gonna take one of the screws out. Oh, it's even got Loctite on there. And I'm gonna put that in one of the 4 holes. And I'll do that really quick here. Well, I must say, it's actually one of the most beautiful scooters I've ever seen. The stem is sculpted. It's absolutely gorgeous. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful scooter. So I'm going to be putting it through the paces. I'm going to be doing a full review in the next video. I'm going to see what it's like for a big guy to ride around on a single motor. I'm not expecting it to be super quick. It is not designed for perhaps somebody my size. They do have a twin motor version, which I'm hoping to review at some point in the very near future. But if you happen to live in British Columbia and you're interested in buying an Unagi, make sure you check out your local London Drugs. You might be surprised to find one there.